Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Auto electric can opener. Effortless can opening. Hands-free operation, smoothly opens cans with minimal effort. Easy operation. Open almost any cans with our electric can opener. Press the button to start. Cuts cleanly along the side of cans, leaving smooth edges. Press the button again to stop. Thoughtful gift idea. A practical and versatile gift for family and friends, suitable for kitchen enthusiasts and anyone seeking convenience. Smooth edge design. The blade cuts along the side of the can, reducing food contact, prevents spills and leaves smooth, rounded edges. User-friendly design. Ergonomic design allows for strain-free use. Ideal for elderly individuals and those with limited hand strength. Convenient cooking. Save energy and simplify meal prep with a tool designed for easy and efficient use. Meat chopper. Amazing meat chopper. Still struggling to chop and crumble meats when cooking? Cunson Meat Chopper features 5 beveled pinwheel blades, helping you chop and crumble food easier and faster, saving you time and effort. Its sturdy structure enables it to achieve more than 1,000 times quick chops, mixes, and mashes. Durable for long-lasting use. Easy to use. Grab the meat masher. Press 5 blades into the meat, stir slightly, and mash to the consistency you want. Use the angled blade to scrape any remaining meat from the sides of cookware. Then, you quickly get one dish of perfect ground meat. Much easier than using spatula or spoon. The ergonomic, non-slip grip makes chopping and mixing a breeze. Easy to clean. Our ground beef smasher is made of food-grade nylon that is non-stick, odorless, and BPA-free. It ensures that food particles don't get stuck, making cleaning up quick and easy. Simply put it in the dishwasher or wash it by hand with a little soap and water. Oil sprayer. Lifetime assurance. We stand behind the quality of our olive oil dispenser bottle. If you're unsatisfied or face any issues, contact us anytime. We offer lifetime support to ensure you're fully satisfied with this essential kitchen essential. Dual dispensing. This 2-in-1 oil dispenser and oil sprayer allows you to spray or pour with ease. It's a versatile oil dispenser bottle spray and pour solution, keeping your kitchen organized and efficient. Precision spray nozzle. The olive oil spray bottle features a nozzle that delivers a fine mist or steady stream, offering precise control. It's perfect for drizzling or spraying, making it an essential oil bottles for kitchen. Control oil intake. Each spray dispenses 0.15 g of oil, helping you manage your daily intake. This cooking oil sprayer is designed for healthier, more controlled cooking with minimal waste. Vegetable chopper and spiralizer. The original Pro Chopper, our superstar veggie slicer, has been creating waves on TikTok. Simple to use, set up, and clean, save time and energy during meal prep with our OG vegetable chopper. Chop, slice, and dice your ingredients like a seasoned chef. Easy meal prep with rust-resistant blades. Our vegetable chopper is perfect for anyone who wants to eat healthier but doesn't have a lot of time to spare. Dice potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and more with the heavy-duty, rust-resistant blades. The 420 stainless steel blades retain razor sharpness for crisp, smooth dicing. 5-star design. The soft grip TPU handle ensures controlled chopping, while the non-skid rubber base keeps the BPA-free veggie chopper steady on any surface, wet or dry. The built-in catch tray keeps counters clean and mess-free. Electric food processor and vegetable chopper. Stack and snap technology for easy assembly. With this well-designed food processor, you can skip frustrating, awkward assembly. Stack snap technology provides easy assembly and removes the need for difficult twist locking. 12-cup sealed bowl. Most food processors are too small for large processing jobs. This 12-cup sealed bowl fits large volumes of food all at once. And since it's sealed in the center, there's no messy leaks or spills to clean up after processing. Slice, shred, chop. Mix and puree with 2 versatile attachments. This large food processor and vegetable chopper includes a chopping/pureeing blade and reversible stainless steel slicing/shredding disc, so you can tackle every job with ease. Easy to clean. All removable parts are dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup and all food zones are BPA-free for peace of mind. Kitchen shears. Premium stainless steel blades. Built to resist rust and maintain sharpness, these stainless steel blades easily cut through everyday kitchen items like vegetables, herbs, meat, and packaging with clean, precise cuts. Enhanced cutting performance. Featuring micro-serrated edges, the blades offer a superior grip on food and materials, minimizing slips for effortless, smooth cutting every time. Extra thick blades add strength and durability, ideal for frequent use. Soft, comfort grip handle. Designed for extended use, the handle provides a comfortable, secure grip with a soft, non-slip coating, reducing hand fatigue and ensuring control while cutting. Includes protective sheath. Comes with a convenient, sturdy plastic sheath to protect the blades when not in use, ensuring safety and blade longevity. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. While hand washing is recommended to maintain blade quality, these shears are dishwasher safe for hassle-free cleaning. Multifunction opener. Clever parrot into kitchen essential. Epic One, a multifunction jar opener and bottle opener. A parrot decor that is both functional and fun, makes your opening experiences easy and enjoyable. Fridge deodorizer. Advanced odor elimination technology. Goodbye to lingering food odors. Our refrigerator deodorizer features advanced CuniPure Air Tech, which combines a 3D honeycomb filter and a porous outer shell. This ensures maximum contact between odor molecules and the catalytic filter, making it more effective than traditional baking soda and activated charcoal. Eco-friendly odor eliminator. The Exlivon refrigerator odor eliminator is made from food-grade SUS 304 stainless steel, ensuring durability and high quality. Ceramic spoon rest. Ideal size 1 PCS 4.5 into 6.9 round spoon rest fits most cookware such as fork, basting brush, spoon, spatula, strainer, coffee spoon, tongs, chopsticks, etc. Can also be used as a mini dip pan, small plate for sugar, cookies, lemon slices, and more. The high-quality spoon rack is made of food-grade ceramic. Ceramic will never mold like silicone or plastic, is both heat-resistant and will not corrode, and can withstand heavy-duty use. The wide base and the swirling depression in the middle ensure the stability of your utensils, allowing the spoon holder to catch all the stains and drips from your cooking utensils, keeping your counters and stovetop neat and tidy. Unique design and color options. This cooking spoon holder features a distinctive swirl motif design that adds an artistic touch to your kitchen. Cooking spatula set. Food-grade silicone. Made of food-grade silicone, BPA-free, can be used in any type of food, and it will probably last longer than the other plastic kitchen utensils. These silicone cooking utensils do not react with food or beverages. You don't have to worry about the health of your families will not retain odors or colors. Before the first use, the original smell will disappear after the silicone soaking in water and exposed it to the air for about 3 hours. Best kitchen tools. One-piece stainless steel core to enhance durability and toughness to keep the spatulas from bending or deformation. 33 different shape for its unique function would be your great kitchen helper. A small holes on the handles for easy storage. Extra 10 PCS hooks and utensils holder for convenient storage. A silicone mat provide you more convenience. Great presents for anyone who loves to cook. Also good present set for your friend, family.